Hello and welcome to the Disney Stranger channel. I'm Disney Stranger.
I'm Disney.
I'm Mrs. Stranger.
And today we are at
Walt Disney Studios Cars.
Yay!
Disneyland, Paris.
And we're about to take a road trip, right guys?
Yes.
A Cars road trip.
Yeah,
From the motion picture Cars.
I love that movie. It's fun.
So we're going to board a tram very shortly and we're going to take a tour, an American road trip, right? Isn't that what they called it?
Yes. Yep.
And it's going to take us around Cars Land.
And it's also similar to the backlot tour at the old MGM Studios, which is now Hollywood Studios.
Yeah.
Except it's taking us around Cars Land instead of a Hollywood Studios set, correct?
Yeah.
They have something very similar to Catastrophe Canyon on this ride. If you remember that back from the good old days
Right.
of MGM
It probably
Studios.
used to be the backlot tour, and then they changed it to Cars theme.
So come with us on a road trip to Cars Land.
Bonjour tout le monde, je m'appelle Sally et je serai votre guide pour vous faire découvrir la route 66 en compagnie de mon ami Cruz Ramirez. Thanks Sally, I'm so excited to check out Route 66 with you. I'm ready to meet it, greet it and defeat it. Oh là, Cruz! Sur la route 66, on prend son temps et on s'abandonne au plaisir de rouler. Oh, right! Oui, le plus gros écran du monde.
Les amis, il n'y a qu'un mot pour décrire cet écrou. Ciao!
The Route 66. She is full of the crazy beautiful things. Au revoir les amis. Arrivederci.
Wow. Hey Sally, what were all those crazy things built along Route 66? Les attractions au bord de la route ont été construites pour divertir les voyageurs. Le garage, fantôme. Those garage guys dying to get out. Hey, it's the Copper Canyon traffic maze. I've been there. Wow, tu as réussi à sortir du labyrinthe. It was amazing. Je suis irrésistiblement attirée par la vieille mine de magnétite. Don't drive in there unless your bumpers are good and tight. Et pour finir, le canyon de Cars-tastrophie. We're driving into Cars-tastrophie Canyon? Oui, une merveille, tout ce qu'il y a de moins naturel, secoué par des micro-séismes toutes les 5 minutes. What? The canyon has an aftershock every few minutes? Oui, that's awesome! Ah, nous y voilà!
Bien, nous allons marquer un court arrêt dans le canyon. Veuillez rester assis et garder les mains et les bras à l'intérieur du tram. Merci.
All right, everybody. We're making a short scheduled stop here in the canyon. Please remain seated and keep your hands and arms inside the tram. Thanks.
Merci de bien rester assis. Please sit down.
Wow. This canyon is so beautiful and calm. Seulement en apparence. Wow,
refreshing.
I think I did.
Une de mes créations préférées est sa statue de lisité. I can't wait to see what Mater's done now. Oh, je vois Martin là-bas. Oh, Mater, you made your own Eiffel Tower? I love it.
Vamos a subir a la nevada. Llámate. Vaya.
Plaisir de vous présenter ma dernière création, la tour à fioul. Nom de pneu.
Seeing the Eiffel Tower was totally worth the drive, man. So cool.
Ah, mes amis, c'est ainsi que se termine notre petite expédition sur la route 66. It was amazing. Et maintenant, profitez et faites un beau voyage sur la route de la...
Merci de bien rester assis, s'il vous plaît. Please sit down.
Now I just want us all to go back and meet it, read it, and repeat it. À bientôt. Bye, everybody. Take care.
Wow, no me ha emocionado.
Merci d'avoir été des nôtres aujourd'hui. Pour votre sécurité, veuillez rester assis jusqu'à l'arrêt complet du tram. Prenez garde à l'ouverture automatique des portes et faites attention à la marche en descendant. Veillez à ne pas oublier vos effets personnels. Merci.
Thanks again, everyone, for joining us on
Cars road trip.
And it was amazing seeing the Eiffel Tower, right? We don't have to go there.
Yes. There was nothing more incredible than the Eiffel Tower. Eiffel Tower, weird. That tomato.
And it did feel like the backlot tour, so that was fun to have that.
Yeah, once upon a time it was a backlot tour. Yeah, it was a tour, but they demolished it and they made this, or they created this out of it, which was pretty cool. Different theming. A nice overlay of the traditional backstage tour.
Yeah.
And remember, guys, before we go, there's one thing you should always remember, and that would be...
Don't forget to walk forward. Thanks for watching, guys. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Please click the like button below. Your comments are welcome. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to the Disney Stranger channel. And walk forward.